Hello, welcome back. Okay? So kung kanina, sa mga previous videos ko, napanood nyo, ang dinifferentiate ko ay logarithmic functions. This time naman ay exponential functions. So doon na tayo sa unang formula natin. If I'm going to differentiate a raised to u, given that a is constant, any numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, u is a function of x, ang derivative niyan is a raised to u times ln of a times du dx. Okay? So what if, example number 1, y is equals to 3 raised to 5x. Okay, di ba malinaw na malinaw? Ang a ko ay 3, ang u ko ay 5x. Anong du ko? Derivative ng 5. X. Di ba? 5 lang. Okay, set up ko na. So, differentiate ko ang a raised to u, copy lang. That's a raised to u times ln of a times du dx. Okay? So, that's 3 raised to 5x times ln of a, what's my a? 3. Du dx, that's 5. Okay? So, this will become 5 ln of 3 times 3 raised to 5x. Baka ang gawin nyo ay yung 3, i-multiply nyo sa 3 raised to 5x. Hindi po kaya ginanon ka. Pero, di ba property lang to ng logarithm? Yung n log m, magiging log of m to the n. So, this will become ln of 3 raised to 5 times 3 raised to 5x. Yan. Or simply, rearrange ko lang baka kasi akala nyo minumultiply ko yun dun eh. So, 3 raised to 5x ln of 3 raised to 5. Pwedeng, ito na yung sagot mo, pwedeng i-simplify mo pa yung 3 raised to 5. Pero sa akin, okay na to. Okay? Second example. If y is equals to x squared, 4 raised to tangent of x, let's find y prime. Okay? So, as you can see, we have u, we have v. This is a product, so u dv, v du. Y prime is u dv plus v du. Okay? U is x squared. Du is 2x. Mantalang yung v ko ay 4 raised to tangent of x. So, gagawin lang natin ganon. dv, kopyahin mo, 4 raised to tangent of x. I-loan mo to, yung constant. Tapos, i-derivative mo yung taas. Ano ba derivative ng tangent? Secant squared x. So, rearrange lang natin. This is equal to secant squared x 4 raised to tangent of x times ln of 4. Okay? And then, gawin ko na tong u dv, v du. Y prime is equals to u, which is x squared. dv, which is secant squared x. 4 raised to tangent of x times ln of 4 plus v, which is 4 raised to tangent of x, du, which is 2x. So, y prime is equals to x squared, secant squared x, 4 raised to tangent of x, ln of 4 plus 4 raised to tangent of x times 2x. May common factor tayo dito kapag tinignan ninyo. 4 raised to tangent of x, 4 raised to tangent of x. X squared, tsaka x. So, magbawas ako ng x, tsaka 4 raised to tan x. So, this is equals to x times 4 raised to tan x. Okay? So, binawasan ko ng isang x. Second squared x. Ln of 4 plus 2. 2 na lang po yung natira kasi inilabas na natin yung x tsaka 4 raised to tan x. And that is our answer. So, copy your notes. Moving on to the second formula, if you're going to differentiate e raised to u, that is equals to e raised to u times du dx. Okay, so palabasin natin ito mula dun sa una nating formula. So yung una nating formula, d dx of a raised to u is equals to a raised to u ln of a times du dx. What will happen if a is equals to e? Okay? So, di ba, e raised to u, papalitan ko nga ng e yung a eh, ln of e times du dx. So, anong makakancel dyan? Ln ng e. Kasi ang ln of e is just 1. That is why this is e raised to u times du dx. Okay? As you can see, ito nanggaling lang din po dito. Okay? Kahit hindi mo na to i-memorize actually. Okay? So, let's move to the third example. Given that y is equals to 5e raised to 5x, evaluate y double prime of 0.5. Okay, so y double prime, ibig sabihin, pangalawang derivative na yung kailangan kong makuha. So, y prime is equals to e raised to u times du dx. Pero wala pa akong u, wala pa akong du dx. Alin nga yung u ko? Yung function ko. So, u is 5x, du is 5. Okay? So, kukuhain ko si y prime, that's e raised to 5x times 5, or simply 5e raised to 5x. Yan na ba yung i-evaluate natin? Hindi pa po, kasi y prime pa lang to. Ang kailangan ko, double prime or yung second derivative ko. So, bali, i-differentiate ko pa to para makuha ko si y double prime. At si y double prime is di-differentiate natin tong 5e raised to 5x. Wait lang. May nakalimutan pala ako dito. May 5 pa to sa unahan. Ayun o. So, 5 times 5, that's 25e raised to 5x. So, ito yung i-differentiate natin. Okay? So, that's 25 times e raised to 5x. Anong derivative ng 25e raised to 5x? Mag-multiply ka lang ng 5. Kasi yan no, di ba nag-multiply lang naman tayo ng 5. Yun yung maganda kapag e raised to u na. Mas madali. So that is 125 e raised to 5x. At ito na yung i-evaluate natin. Y double prime of 0.25 is equals to, papalitan mo lang yung x ng 0.25, i-calculate lang natin, 125 e raised to 5x, ay sorry, 0.5 pala, so, that is equal to 1,522.81. Okay? So, that is our third example. So, copy your notes. Fourth example, if function of x is e raised to log of x squared, find f prime of x, or the first derivative. Okay? So, di ba? F prime of x is equals to e raised to u times du dx. Yun lang naman ang gagawin, di ba? So, u is equals to log of x squared. Derivative ko to. Pag kinuha ko derivative niyan, that is equal to log of e to the base 10. Kahit hindi ko na nga actually ilagay kasi default yun kapag walang nakalagay. Over u, which is x squared, times derivative nun, which is 2x. Diba? Cancel lang. That is equals to 2 log e over x. Okay? So, gawin na natin. F prime of x is equals to e raised to log of x squared times du dx, which is 2 log e over x. Simplify ko, this is equals to 2 e raised to log of x squared log of e all over x. Okay? Next, our last example. If f of x is equals to x squared e raised to x squared, find f of x. Okay? So, di ba, meron akong u, meron akong v. Paulit-ulit lang, u dv plus v du. Okay? So, u ko is x squared. Du ko is 2x. V is e raised to x squared. dv is equals to e raised to x squared times derivative ng x squared, which is 2x. So, this is simply equal to 2x e raised to x squared. And then, i-form natin to. F prime of x is equals to u, which is x squared, dv, which is 2x e raised to x squared, v, which is e raised to x squared, and du, which is equals to 2x. Okay? As you can see, there is a common factor here. Both of the terms have 2x. So, ilabas ko na lang. So, that is 2x quantity x squared. Wait lang. Aside from 2x pala, meron ding isa pang common na term, yung e raised to x squared. So, ilabas ko si 2x e raised to x squared. So, nawalan to ng 2x e raised to x squared, ang tira na lang ay x squared. Nawala tong buo, ang tira na lang ay 1. And that will be our final answer. So, copy and study and solve more examples so that you'll be good with differentiating exponential functions. So, if you have any video tutorial requests, if you have any comments, clarifications, and questions, just comment it down. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!